Hey, what's up, guys? It's Navarro, Penny Stocks Club 13. It's July 16th, 2020. And I had a lot of fun today, guys, with the members from the PSC 13 website, from the group in the WhatsApp chat. And, it's been a hot market. The market is on fire right now, especially the penny stock market. There's been crazy moves, 15, 20, 40%. They've been moving. We've been catching a lot of them. And the members on the PSC 13 chat room, guys, they're active participants. They've been calling out patterns. They've been identifying patterns. That's awesome. The teamwork is great. We've had some great trades. We've been actively trading the whole week, and it's been awesome. I enjoy it, guys. And a lot of the trades I posted for them on the website, which is only available for to members. So they've got something that they can refer to, and we've been trading them. I'm gonna go over them right now, guys. The first one, it's HTBX, the trade of the day. This is the 1 day, 3 minute chart, the time frame. And yesterday we got this one for a swing trade yesterday. It made this big move. A member called it out. We had traded it before, so it was still on watch for continuation, and they called it out with this big move. And I said, yes, that's a big move. It was increasing volume. Now let's just wait for confirmation for an afternoon setup. In the afternoon, it started pushing up with an increase in volume. We took an entry right before the break of high a day, and I took some profits early in the morning. I sold the rest here. It shook me out, but members, they held it longer than me. When it comes to locking in profits, guys, I lock them in. Sometimes I don't want to get back any, so it shook me out here. And the members on the WhatsApp chat were asking, where do we take profit? So once it started pushing up, it hit the 180. I said, okay, 180 would be something where we can take some profits. Some, they don't scale out, they just take their profits and run. So they were out, and others did scale out as it was coming up. We didn't get the entire move, but we got a good chunk of it because we were trading it from yesterday, guys. So we were ahead of the crowd, and that's awesome because we're identifying the patterns ahead of time. So on the swing trade, if you have a small account, you save a day trade and you don't have to worry about it. So that's how my trading strategy came about. Usually trade with an account that's under $25,000. So that's why I had to learn how to swing trade. And that's why I focus a lot on swing trading and patterns that work for a setup that's going to be a profitable trade for the next day, guys. So HTBX, guys, one of the callouts from one of the members and part of the watch list from the PSC 13 website, guys. Another one that was on the PSC 13 website from the watch list was ONTX. This one is a trade that I had posted on Monday, I believe. So let me take you to the 1 year, 1 day. This is why I posted it. And I told them the entry levels, I told them the stop loss. And today it started making a move. We caught it early before the breakout. And we're still on it, guys. We're still holding because it's a great setup for a swing trade. So this is what I saw, guys. I told them, I believe on Monday, like I said, you know what? ONTX is right now on a descending triangle pattern. So you've got this level of support, you've got upward trend, this level of support. So it's basically a flag pattern, right? A descending flag pattern. And you've got your high of the pattern at close to 0.75, close to 75 cents. So it started making a move. I had my alert set and it triggered my alerts. So I immediately go to the members on PSC 13 and I tell them straight from the forum, guys, straight from the watch list on the forum, ONTX is making a move. Remember that we want the entry before it breaks the 60 level because that's a key level. So we got in it right in this consolidation pattern here at 59, around 59 cents. And it never looked back, guys. So we're profitable on this trade. With some members did take some profits, and I didn't. I held it. I'm still holding it, my entire position on it. So this again in the afternoon started pushing up. So that's what we look for in afternoon swing trade setup. So ONTX, guys, straight from the PSC 13 watch list, again, only exclusive to members. Another one that we took an entry on today was SINT. SINT, guys, as you can see, started pushing up. I called it out in the afternoon because they had great momentum with a great increase in volume. And I told them, let it do its move, let it make its move, let it finish making it. We'll buy it on the pullback. So then they were asking, well, where's support? So I told them, we're going to wait till the 220 level. Okay, we're going to wait to the 220 level. So I was on the 1 day, 3 minute, and I told them, okay, we're going to wait for it to confirm support at the 120 level. So I go to the 1 day, 1 minute, and I told them, we're going to enter this trade on the first 1 minute candle that makes a new high. So it touched the 220. It came back up on this candle right here where it made a new high, because you see the descending pattern here. Then on the second green candle, after it made a new high, we came in here. Then it held support at 20, and right now it's trading. It made a move after market, after hours. So right now it's moving up, guys. It's pushing up, like as you can see, a great swing trade pattern. Again, everything that we're working for is to avoid the PDT rule, guys. So if you struggle with that, then hopefully, this is something that'll interest you, because we've been navigating around the PDT rule by coming into swing trades. And not only that, but we've been ahead of the crowd in entries for continuation patterns with great momentum the following day, as you've seen on all my videos, guys. And again, you don't believe what I'm saying, go back and watch my videos. All the callouts are there, and then the videos on the next day show you how it moved, whether it worked or not. So everything that works or not, I put it up for you guys, so there is no confusion whether it's true or not. So SINT, another callout right now on a swing trade, and we took also an entry on FCEL, guys. We took an entry over here. We thought it was gonna hold support at 310, but members were starting to identify patterns of PSC 13. Said, okay, on the 20 day, 1 hour, it's got a cup and handle, and you can't see it on mine. Their platform is a little different, so they can scroll out, but you can see the little cup here and that little handle, right? So that's the reason that we're staying in it, because it's got, and this is the daily chart, you got your cup and it's forming that candle, guys. So we're waiting to break out over the 330, 335 level, then the 350 for a push higher. Again, cup and handles are very bullish. So we're holding this one hopefully a couple of days. If it continues to work, we have our stop loss set. And that was another one that we've been trading for a while, also part of the watch list from the PSC 13 forum, guys. Let's go to the next one. This one was a day trade yesterday, FLDM, also on the watch list from the forum, and we wanted it to break the sixth level. So a member saw it and called it out. Say, hey, FLDM, it's approaching. It's at 590. It's approaching six. So then I go to the 1 day, 3 minute yesterday, and this is where they called it out. So at 590, and we see the momentum going in. So we took an entry before it broke. It came back down. We identified support. We saw the touch and go on VWAP, and we held it. Sold at 530, guys, for a good. Where's 630? For a good about 6.5% return, guys. So again, we look for 5 to 10% returns. This was a successful trade. So FLDM, again, straight from the watch list on PSC 13 website, guys. Another one that we've been trading was WTRH for the break of $4. Yesterday it broke, and we got it from Tuesday, I believe. Let me take it a 5 day 15. We took a position here where it broke the 370, and that's where it held support today, and now it's over four. So we are up on this one. We're still holding because we like the pattern, and again, we wanted it for it to break four. Right now it's above four, so we're looking for a push to five, guys. So WTRH, another one straight from the watch list from PSC 13 that's posted on the forum, where members can go and watch and trade from that watch list, guys. That is all I have for you. Well, hold on. I have one more. NBY was another call out. We've been trading this one. We took a trade on it, and it failed on this day. We kept it on watch. It held today. It broke over the 130 level. Let me take it 1 day, 3 minutes. So it broke over the 130 level, and one of the members had already told me yesterday, "Hey, you think NBY is going to be good with all this that's going on with the COVID-19?" And I said, "Of course, I do believe that because NBY makes mass. I've been saying that all along in my videos." So they called it out, and I told them, okay, awesome. Now again, let's let it finish making its move, let it come back down, and then we'll take an entry. So it retraced all the way back down. As you can see here on the 1D3 minute, it was a touch and go at the 130 level where I had my support already set there. Once it started making the move, I started looking for a support level. It did the touch and go. Then I let it settle for a little bit. And right here, I said, okay, I'm going to take an entry. I'm going to jump in at 133. And it started holding that support. And then it started just making this massive move, guys. And we're on it for a hold, for a swing till tomorrow. And again, this is part of teamwork from the PST13 community, guys. I called it out as well at the WhatsApp chat on, I believe, at 133 as well. So members got in on it. Some took profits at 150. They're already successful on this trade, and some are still holding. Remember, most of the members do not have or fall under the PDT rule, so they have to stay with the stock to the following day. But again, that's what we do here on PSC 13, guys. On Penny Stocks Club 13, it's about swing trading and navigating through the PDT rule. So that's what I have for you guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please share, like, and subscribe, and we'll catch you in the next one.